there?
This is what he heard. There ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. So calm yourself and stop that fuss. There ain't nobody here but us. And kindly point that gun the other way. And hobble, 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 hit the head. There ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. You're hopping around and shaking up around and kicking up an awful dust. We chickens trying to sleep and you butt in and hobble, 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 it's a sin. Tomorrow is a busy day. We got things to do and eggs to lay and ground to dig and worms to scratch. Cause it takes a lot of sitting getting chicks to hatch. There ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. So calm yourself and stop that fuss. There ain't nobody here but us. And kindly point that gun the other way. And hobble, 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 hit the hay. Tomorrow is a busy day. I got things to do and eggs to lay. Ground to dig and worms to scratch. Cause I'm getting chicks to hatch. There ain't nobody here at all. So calm yourself and stop that fuss. There ain't nobody here but us. And kindly point that gun the other way. And hobble, 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 hit the hay. Darcy!
Yes?
What you say?
It's easy pickings.
There ain't